Hey everyone, I just want to say that like a lot of people shun down and outs, or people who are really stressed, or maybe on drugs or substances, or just red faces, or maybe, maybe on something possibly a little bit, or drink or smoke or whatever, or poor, or from a poor area of the neighborhood or the town. And I just wanted to say, like, I've been there. Sometimes it can be uneasy, and in some situations it's safer and to just mind your own business and ignore people. But I want to say that I just passed somebody and said hi, and they're one of these people. And a lot of the time, for the vast majority of the time, I typically do look at somebody in the eye and connect with them, because the thing is, when I look at them, the vast majority of the time they're looking at me instead of me just like ignoring them. And I find that a lot of these people are hurting and suffering, and they don't need more isolation or shunning or ignoring. They actually need a bit more acknowledgement, being listened to or heard and understood. So important. My name is Owen Fox.
And one last thing, everyone, I decided to do a special offer of, instead of just giving away my free ebook, which is 43 pages, called Self-Awareness and Living in the Now, for the moment, I've decided to do a new embarking journey, which is to give away my second book, which is usually sold for free. It's called Heal Yourself, Your Life, Your Relationship, Family and Ancestral Line. It's about healing yourself and all of those things. So yeah, it's about healing like the past baggage that we carry around with us from all of our life, from the conditioning and programming and the past pain, hurts and trauma that we come across as child, as growing up, as young adolescents, even in early adult years, or any part of our life basically. It's what people call the shadow, which goes around wherever you go, or your pain body, as some teachers also call it. So it's imperative to become aware of this and heal this if you want to prosper and become aligned with your divine, holy, higher self and live the life you've only dreamed of. So yeah, this book can really help those who are suffering and struggling with emotional and mental well-being in life, going through a lot of mental hardships, emotional upsets, downs, depressions, feeling lost, purposeless, anxiety, fear, loneliness, directionless, just down and out, or sad and unhappy, or disconnected. So this book is a really awesome book and really help you in those regards to become your healthiest, happiest, brightest self. Or for those struggling in relationships and just who are really sad and lost, upset and disconnected, and just emotional upheavals, and just really suffering in that regard too. So relationships are extremely tricky. So this book heavily revolves around healing yourself and your relationship if you are in one. So, and that in turn definitely affects your children and your family, and also by healing your ancestral line. So yeah, I love to help people with these issues or so-called problems, which aren't problems, or opportunities and challenges and lessons. Okay, so lots of love. I hope this helps. So message me for this gift, and I'd love to just send it to your inbox ASAP. Woohoo! I'm excited. These projects are taking many years. Lots of love. And if anyone's interested in any herbs for your adrenals, your liver, your hair, your eyes, your body, your kidney and adrenals and lymph, everything else, your head and your brain, etc., etc., etc. I have like a herb store called HigherSelfHerbs.com. Please check that out, and there's discounts there between 20 and 50% there for anyone interested, curious, or fascinated, or eager. And I love to do as fast as possible, like first same day delivery, dispatch, and little gifts and surprises on a personal note for anyone who orders from my herb store too. And I definitely appreciate everyone who gives custom to my store via my website, to me and my family, my lovely family and children, and I'm grateful, and I send a lovely little personal message with sending love in the post to you in the little envelope in the parcel. And my intention is to enrich your life and your soul's journey here on earth, and to help and benefit and help your family or life or children to prosper and to be happy and well, and have smooth sailing and fun along the journey too. So yep, my name is Owen Fox. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your positive time and attention, for your love, gratitude and appreciation. High five. You're doing great in life. This too shall pass, and the best is yet to come. High five. Well done.